Here we have our M215VL Bella Kids hat. The monogram goes here, centered on the front, 1/4 inch above the ribbing. You will need 2 sheets of tearaway stabilizer underneath and 1 sheet of solvay on top. Slide the hat, backing, and solvay onto a 4.5 inch slimline clamp frame, but be sure not to stretch the fabric too much over the frame. Rotate your monogram 180 degrees. Trace the sewing area to ensure the monogram fits inside of the frame. Hang a weighted item from the frame to prevent excess shaking and uneven stitches. Now you can begin sewing. All the items used in this video can be purchased at wholesaleboutique.com. We only use MagnaGlide bobbins here at WB. Their patented magnetic core create a consistent delivery throughout the entire bobbin. No more interruptions for tension adjustments as your bobbin gets smaller. Our water-soluble topping is designed to enhance embroidery on the top side of fabrics. Our medium weight tearaway backing adds stability, tears away easily, and leaves a clean finish. When your sew is complete, remove the product from the frame and tear away the backing. There you have a finished product. Click the links in the description below to view the items used in this video.